And a lot more to tell you about the Ebola crisis. Turning to Dallas now, where just minutes ago we learned the name of a second health worker who has been diagnosed with Ebola. Several sources now reporting that woman is Amber Vinson. You can see officials just hours ago closing off her apartment for decontamination. And this is getting much more complicated and potentially dangerous. We're just learning that Vinson flew on a plane just one day before her diagnosis. CDC now in the process of alerting all of her fellow passengers. Right now, 75 healthcare workers, 48 others are being monitored for Ebola symptoms. This new case and the other nurse who treated Thomas Eric Duncan are now being cared for in isolation at Texas Health Presbyterian Hospital. Our Ashley Yore is live in the newsroom. And Ashley, this new diagnosis casting some doubt on how the hospital handled Duncan's case.
Into contact with 77 people at the hospital. Now 2 of them have tested positive for Ebola. The most recent is Amber Vinson. Now we're hearing from the chief clinical officer for the hospital, who admits there could have been mistakes. Another healthcare worker diagnosed with Ebola, and speculations are swirling.
A lot is being said about what may or may not have occurred to cause some of our colleagues to contract this disease. But it's clear there was an exposure somewhere, sometime in their treatment of Mr. Duncan.
The doctor says now focuses on the 2 patients battling Ebola at Texas Health Presbyterian. The first nurse diagnosed has been upgraded to good condition. We're still waiting to find out a condition of the second.
We're a hospital that may have done some things different with the benefit of what we know today, but makes no mistake, no one wants to get this right more than our hospital.
We've also learned 48 other people who were in contact with Duncan have not shown any signs of Ebola, and the last day they could do so is Sunday. Still, questions about the hospital's protocols remain.
We're looking at every element of our personal protective equipment and infection control inside the hospitals. We don't have an answer for this right now, but we're looking at every possible angle around this.
Well, today, Vinson's home and car are being sanitized. Of course, we'll let you know as soon as we have a condition update. Live in the newsroom, I'm Ashley Yore, ABC Action News.